guys, welcome back to Good Luggage. Today I want to go through the Karcher K4 Compact power washer. It's one of the most essential tools, I suppose, when it comes to detailing, having a good power washer. My power washer I got about 2 or 3 years ago, I'd say. Still going strong, but I just wanted to go through some of the features and benefits of, I suppose, of the power washer itself, and what upgrades you could actually do, because there is a certain amount of upgrades that will make the machine a hell of a lot better to use. Let's go through them. Let's have a look and see. Okay, so what makes this a good machine is, right, let's have a look and see what the features are on it. Okay, so you've got your power cable. Alright, I think it's about, not quite sure how long it is, about 5 meters in length, I'd say. Now, some of the things you get with it is obviously your lance, quick release system, Karcher lance. Added safety feature there, push that in, stops if you have any kids around or anything like that. Stop them pressing it or triggering it, whatever the case might be. Then you have your vario lance, okay, so you can, that's variable towards a soft, soft or hard, minimum or maximum, basically soft pressure or hard pressure or maximum pressure. So that's the vario lance. Then you also get this dirt blaster as well, which I have actually found ideal for doing the driveways and the likes of this sort of stone as well, getting the moss up from all the crevices and stuff like that. You also have a feature of putting that into a detergent, so you can do a mixture between using your detergent and the water that's coming in. Something that I've actually never used. I know a lot of people would use their foam lances and shampoos themselves, so I've never actually used that myself. Basically on-off switch, long power cord, and that's where your hose is coming in then as well. That releases as well, but it's just a standard hose connection that you get in any sort of Woodies or hardware or DIY shops or anything like that. And then you have your quick release system. So the hose that comes with it obviously has the Karcher ends on it, and it's as simple as literally popping it in like that. Doesn't matter which side you go on, and then into the hose then itself. That's it, and that's it all done, ready to go. If you want to release it again, press the button, pull out the hose, and again push this one down, and it comes straight out then like that. Okay, I've spoken about and said that there's some upgrades that are available for this Karcher. One thing in particular is the hose. Now, this is a very, very springy hose that comes with the Karcher system, and it's fairly easily tangled up, and it can kink very easily. There is a kink in it somewhere. I'm not quite sure where it is, but I'll show you exactly what I mean when it comes to being a hard hose to work with. So what I did is I ordered a hose from Clean Tech, and it was a 15 meter hose, and this came back like this. Now what this offers now is a single wire rubber hose, so obviously there's not going to be any kinks happening involved with it or anything like that. Has all the Karcher ends on it, and again, compared to the 5 meter cable, I want to say, the Karcher comes with, I've ordered a 15 meter cable, but it actually comes in lengths of 4, 6, 8, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30 meter lengths. So whatever use you would have of it, get whatever cable suits your, whatever length suits your needs. Then again, just a simple quick connect system into that, and then again straight into the gun, into the lance then like that. Then you're ready to rock. But an extra 10 meters of cable, and you'll see the benefit of having the extra length now in 2 seconds. Okay, now here's where you're going to really see the benefits of having a better cable and a longer cable. Okay, so it is all tangled up, ready to rock. It says a 5 meter cable, so obviously length is a big difference, but see when you're trying to take it out. Now, so we haven't pulled out fully, and you see all the kinks. You've pulled it out straight, then you're going around to the back of the car, and it's all in like that again. You go around, or wherever you want to go, it just keeps on getting kinked up. But it doesn't help if you want to go near the car then, because you have you have the possibility that you may actually come and scratch off the car because it's kinking so much. There's one of the kinks, you can see it there now. It's just kinking easily to kink there now. So by changing the hose, this makes the difference altogether. So look it in there. Whatever way it goes. Get your lance. There's the end of it. Here it is there. Throw it in there and then watch this then. There's 15 meters of length. Non-kinking, no kinking, not wrapping up or doing anything like that. Much easier to use. The other ideal thing about this then is if you're going around the car, so there's no dangers of scratching or doing anything to your car then. See? So it means you can get at all angles of your car and you've no problems with kinking. It's not going to come up and damage any of your paintwork on your cars that you may be working on. Definitely a worthwhile investment, I would say. Okay, so you've got the long nozzle from your Karcher trigger. Alright, another little good investment, I would think anyway, is a little short extension adapter, or short, whatever you want to call it, short bit. So it takes the length out of the larger vario hose. So put it on, all you have to do is take that one off, put this one on, and you have your little short extension. Now this is a Karcher built one, so there may be different other ones for different products and stuff, but the good thing about this is then you have a shorter extension, you can swivel that any direction. So if you want to get up on top or around the back or do whatever needs to be done, you can swivel it in any such ways at all. It makes all the difference. It makes it a hell of a lot easier to be cleaning the car, especially the arches and stuff. There is other products out there, and I think next on my list will be a proper short trigger swivel branch gun thing, whatever you want to call it, short extension thing. Okay, so from here you should be able to see the difference quite blatantly, I'd say. That obviously being your longer rubber 50-meter hose, and that being the original that came with it. That's what I was talking about, the kinks. Don't know, can we see it in the camera there or not? So it's actually starting to split. I didn't even notice that myself now. Where is it? There it is. So obviously it is a cheaper hose, it's a shorter hose, but I find the longer one much better to use. As I said, it will get around the car much easier without scratching your car, or yeah, get around your car without scratching it. I mean, all the connections are the exact same. They are Karcher fittings. They do come for all sorts of other different machines like Bosch, Kranzel, whatever the case might be. This hose was bought from Cleantech. I think it was £44.95, including delivery. And yeah, look, I think it was well worth the investment. Don't know about you, but think for yourself. Okay, so the hose comes in at £44.95 delivered to me here. Is it worth the investment? I think so, because it reduces the risk in scratching your car or kinking, or just makes life a hell of a lot easier when you're going to wash your car and stuff. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, give it a like. If you do want to share a comment, please do. I'd love to hear what you think of the videos. Have you gotten a new hose? Does it make much of a difference for you guys? Let me know in the comments, and hopefully see you on the next video. All the best.